Hello students, how are you? Hope you are doing well. Now the question is, identify the circuit element X and Y as shown in the given block diagram and draw the output waveforms of X and Y. So the problem is based on the topic the rectifier. Now the rectifier is used to provide the DC to a certain appliance, and the output of the rectifier, suppose it is a full wave rectifier, if X is full wave rectifier, is a pulsating DC. So output which we get, suppose these terminals are X and X dash. So between X and X dash, we get this particular waveform. This is the output waveform. Let us call it as output waveform first with respect to time. So this is the output of X. Now the element X here is rectifier. In this particular case, the waveform corresponds to a full wave rectifier. So X is a full wave rectifier, and the output of the full wave rectifier is a pulsating DC. This is a pulsating DC. This is the pulsating DC. Pulsating means it is in the form of pulses, not the pure DC which we want, because the appliances need the pure DC. Now the pure DC is ideal case. In pure DC looks like this. This is voltage versus time waveform for the pure DC, purest form of the DC, pure DC. To achieve this particular state, we use the rectifier. So why we use the filter? To achieve the pure DC, we use the filter. Filter removes the rippleness, the waviness in this particular waveform. So the output of the filter is something like this. So this is the output of the filter. This is the final output. Let us call it as VO2. So this is VO2 versus time, which is the output of the filter. Suppose these points are Y and Y dash. So this is the waveform across the Y dash terminal, that is across the DC appliance. So this is the output of the filter. So the answer is the element X and Y are full wave rectifier and filter respectively, and the output waveforms of the rectifier and filter are respectively the waveform number 1 and the waveform number 2. So we have to draw these two particular waveforms, and we have to write down the name of the X and Y blocks, which are full wave rectifier and the filter. So this is the solution of this particular problem. So hope you understand the solution. Thank you.